Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up extra dim shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for our extra dim option and how to set up a shortcut to this function. We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options here, and in visibility enhancements menu we are looking for our extra dim. In here we have extra dim shortcut. So we can enable it from here. And now we have three options to choose from. For example, we can add this function to our shortcut here. We can also choose any or from these three options. So press and hold volume up and down key for 3 seconds, press side and volume keys, etc. But we're adding only this option here, so extra dim, and it's working as you can see. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.